I want to take you through this beautiful trade that I've just closed some minutes ago. All right, so this is NZJPY, and the analysis was very simple, guys. Look at this. So first things first, I just started the analysis from the daily. That's the routine from the daily. All right, and what was I identifying? I only wanted to see pullbacks, corrections. All right, is the market giving me higher high or higher low? Is the market giving me a lower low and or a lower high? So right over here, I saw that the market somehow gave me an impulse move, then a correction, then now I saw an impulse move, then a correction. So I was anticipating to go up. All right, so with that, I just went back now to the 4 hour. So I'm just trying to see if I can get entries. All right, so right over here, I saw that the market did this. You can see the market broke, like I said, from the daily the market broke, then now gave me this push to the down. Right, so I will rewind. Let me just rewind this market and tell you what the price was before I did make my entry decision right there. All right, let's go. So right, zooming in, I saw this is what's up, and you can see my trend lines right over here. This is my trend line right here. Don't worry, guys, I have before and after the trade. All right, so stick around. I'm just going to show that in a minute. Like you all know me, guys, I do keep my records, right, for proof. All right, so let's see. So I saw that the market went down, they now gave me some sort of a reversal pattern, guys. You can see this is another reversal sign. We have that left shoulder, that right there, that's our head. Boom, that's what's up. All right, so that's now an inverse. Let's go up. All right, so I had to identify this as a neckline. Okay, all right, so when I did identify that at the neckline as the neckline, I went to the 1 hour. So I was just waiting for a break. Actually, you can see that that is what the market did. Let me do this. Actually, before that, I'll just rewind this right here. So I was just waiting for that break, guys. All right, I'm just waiting for that break, then go up. Look at this. So the market continued playing out, then broke, but something, look at this. I saw that the market, of course, has broken. I should be taking my buy position immediately, but the market just broke, then impulse move, guys. So all I just had to do is wait for a correction and execute. Look at that, the market did that. I was waiting for a correction back to this zone right there. So let's see, the market, of course, did that. With that, I thought, all right, the market, of course, has broken, but has given us a pullback. So let's see, I just have to identify this as the new high that the market gave us. All right, so to make sure that now this is a good trending market, of course, we have the confidence. We can't just say this is just one of the, the first higher high, then now higher low. Right, so this might be just maybe the market might try to do this, then continue going down. All right, so I just had to make sure that the market has given me another proof that is breaking out of that new high it has created, confirming that right now we are trending up. So let's see, the market did that, the market did that right there, nothing happened right there. All right, so this time I was at the 15. Look at this. Of course, I can see that the market has already broken, so I believe I did take my buy entry position at the 15. All right, at the 1 hour. All right, so look at that. So right now, let's see, at the 1 hour, let me just go back. Yeah, I usually take my entry my position at the 1 hour. Or sorry, for now I've not taken an entry position. Right, yeah, I've not taken an entry position. So now let's see how the market behaved. The market did that, then of course, yeah, that's what's up. I saw that now the market has given me an correction. Right, so we had an impulse move. Look at that. So I just made sure that I don't want to get caught up in the wrong side of the market. So we had, of course, a high correction right there, an impulse move, correction, now impulse move. Of course, I was expecting that correction, then now make my entry officially. And you can see that is what I did identify right over here. You can see that downtrend right there. All right, so I just needed that entry confirmation now to go up. So let's see. Funny enough, the market played out, but then I was not next to my computer. All right, so the break happened, but I came back later finding that there was a 1 hour candlestick close right about there. Let's see, that is when I did take my entry position. Right, so I can say that this time probably I was chasing the trade. I can't say that I was chasing the trade because the market closed or price broke above that resistance with the 1 hour candlestick closed. All right, above that. So with that, of course, now I anticipated pullbacks. Look at that. So the market did that. Right, and so at around let me see, around 8 p.m. yesterday, the market started doing this. So all right, then I went back to the 15 and started trying to understand what the market is trying to do. All right, with this, oh, I saw that the market is giving me a pullback phase. All right, so that is, now let me just show you right here the pullback phase we have here, right? Look at this. You can confirm right about now, this was, you can zoom around this zone, 2nd November, today is 3rd. Right, we have New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. That is how it's looking like during that pullback phase, and this is how it was looking like when I took that entry. Right, you can see before, this is it right about now. You can see I'm currently at that drawdown before that movement. Right, so let's see. So here is the reason why I did take that trade. Price is an uptrend from the higher time frame. That one confirmed. All right, price gave me a continuation pattern at the 15. I've talked about the bullish flag, then took my buy entry at the H1 candlestick close. Boom, you see, that's what's up. All right, so let's continue. Just a minute, I don't know what's happening with the trading view, the bar replays. All right, come on, give me that. All right, so let's continue. So right now the market was pushing down. Then I said, okay, I understand that this market is pushing down, so I just have to make sure the market has given me consolidation, and then I identify a high, then take that buy position immediately. And guess what? That was at the 1 minute where I did identify that the market was somehow consolidating. Look at that. So I just had to identify this as a last lower high. All right, so anytime the market breaks out of that low high at the 1 hour, we execute the second position. Right, so look at that. Let's to the 1 hour. All right, so I did understand that. All right, I made my entry somehow at the top with every confluence, but just a minute, I don't know what's happening with my Wi-Fi. Just a minute. Let me see. Okay, come on. All right, so let's go. Where we are. Right, so I just had to wait for a candlestick to close above my resistance that I've just identified at the 1 minute. Remember that, guys. All right, so now I was trying to see that, okay, I've taken that first entry, but now of course that market has pulled back, and I'm very sure and confident that now the market still wants to go up. So I wanted to now make another second position, but still in a drawdown. All right, so look at this. So we have this as the identify high or lower high at the 1 minute, right above there. Right, so let's see. If I zoom in, I hope you can see this clearly. All right, so let's see. Let me delete that. So right then I started seeing that the market was playing out. Then I just waited for, remember, I'm waiting for a breakout of this resistance, and you can see that the market is somehow respecting that tiny resistance, guys, at the 1 minute. And look at that, the market did that, broke, and guess what? I did not hesitate, my friend. You know me, I've been waiting for this to play out, so why should I hesitate taking that entry? All right, why will I hesitate? All right, look at that, look at this. That's what's up. The market looking nice right there. All right, so the market did that. Look at that, and you can see it's somehow respecting this flip zone of ours right over here, respecting that flip zone of ours. So I just went to bed, guys, and let the market do what it does. All right, and look at that. So currently we're up. So basically I was supposed to hold this market or this move up to this zone, but I've seen something, guys. There's something that I did miss out during my analysis, so I just had to make sure that I have another trend line right here. We have that first touch, second touch, and you can see that. All right, so let me just remove this. I don't know, let's see. It's going to make sense, guys. Of course my take profit was above this zone, but I've seen that I did not do the analysis correctly. Look at that. So somehow this might be the case. Let me see. Right here, 1 2 3, right there. So if I remove this high that I did identify as my take profit right above this zone, I hope that makes sense, guys. Look at that. So we have that kind of behavior of the market. All right, so let's hit the 4 hour. Look at that. So I'm expecting that is some sort of continuation pattern before the market breaks out of this resistance before, and then maybe go up. All right, look at this. clearly we have impulse movement correction right there. We had this sort of an impulse probably down, though the market is trying to give us this correction. Maybe if it breaks, then that is when we should be going up. So initially I was targeting this high, but I did ignore this trend line. All right, so I've just closed my position right about now. Let me just show you. Over here we have, and in fact let me just show you something. Before I did take that entry, guys, I gave my group a certain video right here. I only asked for 20 reaction and give them the signal, but guess what, I only received 11 reaction, and so I did not give out that signal. Look at this zone right here. All right, here we go, come on. Here it is. If I get 20 reaction, she's all yours. Right, so let me just play the video. Look at that. So this was the market before I did take that buy entry. I only asked for 20 reaction, but they only gave me 11 reaction, so I did not give them the signal. All right, so I just had to take the entry on my own. Look at that. So this is my account. This is a prop firm challenge account. Actually, you can see I was up $1,000. I mean, $1,000. I've closed at 1,500. You can see now this is my personal account. You can see I'm up 122, and that's what's up. I've closed at 140. All right, so that's what's up. That's how it is. Look at it. All right, that's how it is. Crazy. All right, so you might decide maybe you want to join my Telegram channels. Check the link in the description box below, and maybe smash this video, man. Give this video a thumbs up, man. Right, and also smash that subscribe button. So gang, adios mi amigos.